How to create a watch list on Macs. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create a watch list on your Macs, navigate to your Macs application or you can visit to your HBO Max website. Ensure that you are logged into your account. To add it in your watch list, it is not as same as download, which means you will not be able to watch it offline. Now anyways, moving forward, to add any of the show, movies or content in your watch list, firstly tap on the show or the content. You can select from the featured content in your home page or you can search for a particular genre, movie shows or any of the content you desire. Now next to the name of the content, you will see this plus sign icon. Tap on the plus sign icon to add it in the watch list of your account. Once you tap on it, it will notify you that it has been added to the watch list. To find where your watch list is, at the bottom you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. Over there, you will see the option of My List. You need to select on it and you will find every content that you have added to your watch list so far. And just like that, we have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.